buildings and structures of the classical agora. Altar of the 12 Gods. Near the middle of the open square, somewhat to the north, lay the altar of the 12 Gods, today largely hidden under the Athens to Piraeus railway. In 1891, a corner of the enclosure wall survives, along with the inscribed marble base for a bronze statue that reads, Leagros, the son of Glaucon, dedicated this to the 12 Gods. Thucydides tells us the younger Pisistratos, grandson of the tyrant, established the altar in the agora during his archonship, 522 BC. The upper surface of the present sill, 4th century BC, preserves traces of the stone fence that would have defined the sacred area around the altar, now missing. The altar was one of the few monuments permitted within the open square, and it served as the 0 milestone or center of the city. Herodotus, when giving a distance in Egypt, tells us that it is as far from Heliopolis to the sea as it is from the altar of the 12 Gods in Athens to Olympia. And a milestone dating to around 400 BC we read, "The city set me up, a truthful monument to show all mortals the measure of their journeying. The distance to the altar of the 12 Gods from the harbor is 45 stads." Physically, we are at the heart of the city. The altar of the 12 Gods was an ancient altar dedicated to the 12 gods worshipped in ancient Greece: Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Demeter, Hestia, Apollo, Artemis, Hephaestus, Athena, Ares, Aphrodite and Hermes. Located north of the ancient agora of Athens and situated near the temple of Ares, it was an important point from which distances were reckoned inside the city. Information of the exact location of the altar was scarce due to the lack of ancient sources. However, excavations in 1891 and 1934, during the American excavation of the agora, point south of the Athens to Piraeus railway, ISAP, where findings of the southwest corner of the altar were discovered deep under the Roman and Byzantine levels. On the 17th of February, 2011, it was reported that the famed altar was discovered. The discovery of the altar has resulted in a disagreement between the archaeologists and the Athens to Piraeus railway. Despite the immense importance of this discovery from an archaeological point of view, the railway plans to rebury the site to avoid further delay in the final delivery of the renovated infrastructure.